The 2013 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, MP3 player, bucket seats, CD player, power windows, child safety locks, passenger airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.